How a group that was traditional all the time essential and skeptic of the federal government on each side. They're now totally Republican and alt-right subreddit. It's solely been a pair of months since I left, and taking a look at it now, it's wonderful how far off the deep finish they've topped chicken I love morning and morning Cox shirt. Reminds me of a really actual remark I made at work the opposite week. I stay in Minneapolis. Top chicken I love morning and morning Cox shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Top chicken I love morning and morning Cox shirts. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Husband and I have been simply saying that very factor earlier this night. It isn't like these cretins are going to be content material to crawl again below their rocks. They've had a style of top chicken I love morning and morning Cox shirts because of the orange and the facility that comes with that. They usually find it irresistible. I bought other product